for a few hours.
Welcome back, everyone, to another day of the house build. It rained last night. We worked pretty hard and we got quite a ways, and it was almost dark, and then we started feeling raindrops. We knew the storm was coming in, but we really wanted to get all the exterior walls on, and we were able to, and then we had to hustle to get this plastic all down, but that's down. It started raining pretty hard. It was drizzling for most of the night and then rained pretty hard at about 4 o'clock, and now we're off and on rain. So I am running out there doing a little bit when it slows down to a drizzle, and running back under here when it gets heavy like it is right now. Let me show you guys. Yeah, that's not conducive, but the plastic is doing its job, guys. I mean, there's nothing I can do where the walls are, but it's keeping a significant amount of the water off of our decking, and that's a good thing. So we're gonna see what we can get done today. Stick around. Alright guys, as you can see, what I was doing was making sure the rack of the wall, like behind me, isn't like this. I had to tug it a little bit that way, get it all centered, and then I used those big anchor screws to tie the whole thing together. The two beams are tied in, all of the joints of our walls are all tied in. As far as I can tell, it's all straight plumb and level. But it is me that's doing the work. So Jason and Tara will be here. They had to run back to their homestead for a little bit, get some work done. They're on their way. Just as a second opinion, I'm gonna have him take a look at it and make sure he concurs with what I've got going on, and we'll see what happens from there. I don't think much more is going to happen today, because we had this big rain delay and it's getting pretty late in the afternoon. And then just walk from the back. Not too much in the front, nice and slow. There we go. Keep going. To right there. Perfect. Keep coming up. Come up. Get your end. Walk towards me. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Perfect.
Good morning.
It is day 5 of our house build.
Yay.
Yay, I know.
It's coming together so beautifully.
I know, it's so awesome.
You know what I'm saying?
But thank goodness it's bright and sunny out today, so we should be able to get a lot of work done. Yesterday was kind of a
rainy day.
And we just took a break, hung out with some friends, and
celebrated Jess from Barndervilla's birthday.
Yes, Jess's birthday. Happy birthday, Jess, because it's actually today.
Today.
Right?
Yeah.
So happy birthday, Jess.
Those are the pony ones.
So right now they're getting ready to do the measurements for their bedroom closet. I'm trying to think. It's been an early morning.
So,
The guys are back
bedroom
there.
closet. Yep, they're getting all the measurements together, and we will bring you along for the rest of the journey.
Yeah.
All right. All right. All the measurements for the closet.
yeah, it's just 2 boards
Oh, okay.
for right now. This is going to have to get put together in a kind of weird
Okay.
section, like way of doing it, because of the long header. So all we're doing is building the bottom plate, marking it, and then we could figure the top plate from there. Just give it a good tug. So get the tarps on it.
Okay. Preferably not too bad.
It doesn't need to be a 2.8.
No.
Well, you can go low.
Yeah, so this 2.4. Alright, and do you have a thing? Alright. So from the post to that, we need that
This is a
measurement.
stud. This is a key stud. That'll be shorter. So it doesn't get.
There's a man around the corner, he's been asking me for change, and I could use some. Think I could use some sometimes. All these things slow me down. Like the concrete that's been sticking to the bottom of my shoes. Soles worn and tired have started wearing through. I can feel them heavy now. There's a hole here in my pocket. It reminds me of the ways I am hungry.
So, you want a nail?
And always
Is that okay with us
running
running a nail gun?
for an open door.
All I ask
Go
is,
further than that, right?
But on the highway, heavy-hearted, humming just to hear a sound. Loneliness, it lingers through unfamiliar towns, all of them stunning. None of them home. And I don't know if I live like this for a peace of mind. Can't say if I do it for the foolish
If it came
ride.
through the side, just put
Maybe
another
it's
nail
all
in it.
just to prove that I'm alive. I'm alive, so I tell myself I'm brave. And I swear that I'm bold, but I'm afraid it isn't so. Maybe I'm nothing more than alone.
What do you need?
If you're gonna staple this, you stop here. You don't staple this one. This is staple.
so this one will toenail it. There's your closet. Sarah?
Yep.
One that's just shy of 48. If it's a half a blade's length below 48, that's perfect. One is great.
We must have matched it right.
Spicy dilly beans. Snack of the champions.
You should try one.
I will. What are you doing, girl? You're not even supposed to be out here. What are you doing?
Hit one up there, Lucas. Okay. Now, get ready to hit one right here. Or actually,
Hi, girlie.
put one there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Now just nail her up. There we go. Actually, there should be a 5-gallon, there should be an open box. Check.
Jason.
Jason, while you're standing right there, tap the top of that board to make this copy just a touch. Keep going, keep going. Right there. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's all right, I can do this.
Are you talking about the bones?
Yeah. Well, we'll know for sure when we lay this out. I'm just trying to get it pretty dang close first.
See what you're saying.
Okay.
So that's completely even with that board in there? Because it does look like this.
It will get straightened out as we
Okay.
go. Yeah, but I'm gonna bring you plenty of cord so I can lay some.
Yeah, it's lumber they make these days. Nothing is.
They were world travelers. Her and her mom first, like left America.
Yeah, I'm good, Jason.
Traveled, and she picked up.
You're totally good on
Yeah,
that?
I'm totally good over here.
Authenticated starter that was found.
I think we're good
in
down
Burns from, like, so I bought.
So that end is wider, the 2x6 is. So
Really?
we need to pick what side you want as the, like one side needs to be flush and let the other side, and then the flush spot side is gonna be the top of this beam.
The
So
flush
just-
side is the top of the beam. That'll kick the beam up. The bottom side is the top of the beam. It's the flush side. So it sits on all 4 beams
Okay.
level. So let's go flush this way.
Because this end is perfect, so.
Yeah, this end's perfect.
All right.
You like it?
I do. Yeah.
Good?
Yep. This is the sketchy part. So I have my beam right here. Goes all the way down. So we've got to get this beam all the way up there onto there, and then all the way up onto that one. This is the sketchy part.
Let me speak.
So we're just gonna pick this up, slide it back, lift it up, hand it to him, slide it up on. In one flawless, hospital-less maneuver.
You heard him.
What are we doing?
Hear that,
Alright.
baby?
There's so many people afraid
Everybody ready?
They treated me pretty good.
Oh, wait, move.
Back, up, in.
Okay. Run it till you're clear over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna.
Eli, you're on the bottom of his ladder.
Where?
Just hold the ladder so
Yep.
he wants to
It's
get
good.
up there. So that it doesn't wiggle.
Up to me. In a little, Jason. Yeah. Up, over. There. All right.
Anybody got Jason's ladder?
Ready?
Yep.
Going.
Go.
On.
Nice.
You want me to push it?
No, it doesn't need it.
No,
Okay.
I mean, we'll adjust afterwards, but.
Okay. We can come down. You got it. Oh, hold on.
No!
You're fine. Let her down. Okay.
I think Jason needs to come closer.
That is blowing really bad.
Okay, we need to
Can you turn that back?
roll it back.
This wind blows because there's no room between the separation.
How much overhang we got over there, babe?
About 6 inches.
All right. Let's slide it back.
Okay, that'll be good, because that's our mark.
Yeah.
Side about a foot
this
back.
way?
You still get stability that way with one
What,
screw.
honey?
All right. I'll take that gun.
Oh, did you find a green screw?
Well, yeah. Well, these are long enough screws. I think one is.
Honestly, if you want more force, put it closer towards you. There.
Did you find the screw, Olivia? No. Oh, you know what? I knew I saw something over here.
Yeah, 3 more screws.
Oh, perfect.
Now, so now the other one is taking back here.
And if he does that a little bit more under an angle, I can do the pushing and we have stability with 2 people here.
because now that we see this thing tips,
I can't find any
we're
screws.
gonna screw it.
I gave them.
temporarily up there.
Okay, well, I'll
They
leave
have
you
them.
those. Let me get on the other side. Or do you think we can just do it like this?
Well, let's try it this way. I think with them 2x4s, if they're on the 2x4s,
Yeah.
I think
Eli, can you hold this ladder?
this gives us the stability that we need.
Yes.
That way I can put it on my shoulder
Yeah.
and carry it up.
You just tell us when you're ready.
Okay. What?
Count it off.
All right,
1,
ready?
2, 3. And
Down.
down.
I'm not gonna lie, they did all the work.
Nice.
That was genius. With these being all true, because our walls are true and straight, and we lock those in, this ridge beam will run straight and true.
Yeah.
Because every one of the rafters will be cut the exact same length.
But
All right, the
that can
ridge
stay
beam
there
is
like that
in.
for now, and we can.
I know.
Man.
Looking straight, is it?
Yeah. Before we go any further, this one will hold up. We need I'm gonna put that long level on it real quick.
Can we get the long level?
floor?
Yeah.
Eli, long level.
Young lady, could you hand us that long level?
So it's gonna be single story?
It is.
Okay.
So the way that, because we're gonna have a front
Set it, yeah, of the plywood. Just to double check and make sure
here, and then it'll be a smaller pitch off of our bedroom, and the same pitch off of the porch.
if anything, the way I'm looking at the wall is the top, and then the top needs to shift over.
We need a cheater bar. Where's that small cheater bar?
Racket.
Okay.
Yeah, a little pry bar.
You got one, you just stick it underneath the wall.
Yeah. You can cheat it
Because
with
the
a little
wall,
cheater
double
bar.
check that wall. This doesn't exact, just to make sure. But I'm looking at it and I'm seeing the top plate. No, go the other way, Christophe, the same as we did, but do it on the 2x4, not the 1. That way we know for sure.
That's pretty damn good.
Which way do you need to go?
The top needs to go towards the wood.
Towards the wood? That is good.
It's showing good now?
Eric, what do you say?
Zap that thing.
And I need to get this.
I'm gonna get covered up anyway.
Well, yeah, but if it starts walking, I'll go on top.
But it's awful to edit it.
Can you get it? You want help?
There's gonna be a window there.
You're hitting the stud. The bracing
Oh,
stud.
crap.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, let's pull that bracer out. Oh my goodness. We have an enclosed wall.
I know.
Oh. What do you
It
guys
looks-
think, huh?
it
What do you
looks so
think of it was only, I think, 2x4, 2 studs in there that looked like they might have had some wonkiness going to them, but other than that, our framing seems to be pretty straight and true. So we got to take these ledger boards off, put them on the other side if we plan on doing any more.
Eric, it's beer 30, buddy.
It sure is. I think though, I think I'm just gonna stay here like a possum, and at 9 tomorrow morning, just come shake the limb, and I'll get back to work. All right?
Just hold that position, be ready for tomorrow.
I'll be perfect. I'll be perfect right here.
I think that plan sounds horrible because it's not very comfortable, but we'll feed
Baby,
you
I
cold
got your
snacks up
beer.
there.
See, that works.
All right, we have walls.
We do.
We have sheathing.
walls.
It's amazing, guys. The things that we have gotten done have definitely exceeded the timeline that I thought it was going to take.
I know.
We're doing fantastic. We still have 2 more sides to sheathe in, and then once we do that, it's on to rafters.
It is.
Make sure you guys come back next week to see rafters. We really hope you'll stick around for this whole build. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.